Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 132nd release. Today we are focusing on the Tulip dies. Love those. We also have the Script Everyday Word dies, which it's like a really thin, tiny set, but I love it. It packs a punch and it looks so cute on projects. Yesterday I showed you the springtime paper pack and love this set. That tomato red is so pretty. And I'm also pointing at some of the colors that I'll be using in my projects today. And then I chose that watering can stamp and die set. Love this set. When I tell you it's so cute, I absolutely love it. I'll be pointing at some of the items that I'm using on the watering can today, so just check those out. And now I'm going to take the time to tell you what we have going on. So this Friday, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's when the release starts. So make sure you set those alarm clocks for 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so now I am going to be showing you some of the previous releases that I used. So I'll be using these Daisy dies. I'm using a few items from there. And then I'm also using from the Ginger Easter Bunny die set. I'm using those bows right there. And I think that's number 2. I'm not for sure, but I'll have the name go across the top. I'm using some of those foliage dies in that set. And then from the medium teacup die, I'm using just that image right there. Now let's take a look at these items that I made. Oh, I love, love, love these cards. Tags. They are so cute. The colors are banging. Love that tomato red. Love it. And then those little script word dies are perfect. And then check out this card. Oh, don't those tulips pack a punch? I love it. That watering can, the Bless Our farmhouse, everything looks so cute on there. And then I added that little image for a shadow underneath the watering can, vellum to kind of calm down the paper in the back, and love how it turned out. So if you have the time, make sure you head over to my Creative Times websites along with my design team sisters. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.